Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're getting into our next Lush subscription box. This is an exciting one. This is the last one of the year. Well, it's going to continue on each month, I'm assuming. But the last one of this year, this is the December box. This is our holiday box. It's our Christmas. It's part of Merry Glammas. There's so many things happening where this box involves. So we're going to be unboxing the Lush subscription box from the Lush kitchen. We usually get 5 items picked, like 2 or 3 of them picked from the community and then some exclusives thrown in there. Sometimes when it's the holiday boxes, they throw in a little extra, so we'll see if there's anything else in there. So we will be diving into the box. I have not opened this box. Well, I mean, I've opened it to here and taken my own information out of it, but I have not read anything. I have not looked at anything. Anything that has any information I have not looked at. I won't even be reading any of the cards until after we've gone through the box. Then I will go through all the ingredients, and then I'll go through what was exclusive, what was community pick, and then we'll go through the menu and what I personally voted for. So that's going to be our video. Before we get into this gorgeous unboxing, this look is not filmed. Again, this is another one where I'm just in from work. I usually film these just in from work because I usually arrive while I'm in work. And I just topped up my face. I actually put a bit of eyegloss on, but I actually don't really like wearing eyegloss. I always feel like they're very sticky unless you just use Vaseline. But this one's quite sticky, so it's actually annoying me. Anyway, if you want to see any more content from me on Lush, I am currently unboxing my Lush advent calendar on my Instagram story. So every day I'm opening a new day, unless I'm in my boyfriend's house, but I will catch up. So you will see every single one of them, don't worry. But I'm also opening the Look Fantastic and Cult Beauty. So go follow my Instagram down below. Okay, let's dive into this box. I'm very excited about this. Okay, so the first thing I see in the box is our little card here, which has this gorgeous like door print. Am I supposed to open this? I'm not going to do it now because I don't want to be... Oh, will I? No, I'm not going to do it. Will I? Oh, welcome to 29 High Street. It says it on the back here, welcome to 29 High Street. And it looks like you open this little door. There's like a little door on this. That's cool. I'm very nervous to spoil this. I don't want to spoil anything in this box for me. So it says, for days when the world is too much with us, there's Lush. From William Wordsworth. And yeah, it says, welcome to 29 High Street, issue 31. Is this the 31st box, I'm assuming? And it's just like a nice piece of card. That's very cute. That's what that is. Normally it's actually a card that has like information on the back of it, so I don't know if there is another one of these in here. But then there's also this. We'll just put that back over here because there is something on the very front of that and I don't want to see it and I don't want you guys to be spoiled either. So let's go diving into the box. I also don't even look. I usually just try to feel something. What is this? Oh, it's a little pin. It's a 29 High Street pin. Look at this. Look, it's like the door of 29 High Street. That's really cute. Not the last box, the October box, we got I have it here actually. We got another pin and it's like a slimy Lush for Halloween, which I love. And now I have this. This is cute. I might like, if they're going to do pins in the future, I might like find somewhere to put them all so I can have like all different kind of versions of Lush pins. But that's very cute. So we'll pop that to the side. Okay, so let's have another dive. I feel a bottle. I feel a bottle. I feel a big bottle. I feel a big bottle. Oh my god, what is this? It's a big ball. It's also, by the way, it's all navy themed, which is why I kind of wore this top as well, by the way. Very cute. I really like a dark blue, dark navy. This is a shower gel and this is Happy Holidays. It says festive lathers that sparkle red and gold with cocoa absolute and almond oil for sweet cherry chocolate scent. And it's like golden sparkly. Look how sparkly that is. Okay, let's smell. Oh my god, it smells. Ooh, okay, so initially it just smelled cherry. And then like the after smell in the back of your nose, there's a little sweetness of chocolate. So it's like the kind of tart souriness of cherry and then just chocolate in the background. Oh, I like that. That is lovely. And it's full size, which is the 250 grams, 225 milligrams. I do tend to normally prefer like the 100 ones, but for Christmas I don't mind because then it'll last me longer. So we'll read out the ingredients on this because it's actually on the packaging. Anything that doesn't have packaging, I will go through the ingredients in a while. So this has got fair trade organic aloe vera gel. We love aloe vera gel over here. Extra fine salt, organic agave syrup, cocoa absolute, almond essential oil, and water and titanium dioxide, which is usually what the shimmer is made of. It also has on anything with packaging like these guys, a sticker which says who it was made by, the date it was made, when to use by, and then underneath the sticker is usually a little saying. So this was made by Ben, so thank you Ben, and I'm going to just peel this back a little bit and see what it says. So this one says, ho ho ho. I love it. I love festive things. I know I'm like an absolute like spooky witch when it comes to like September, October essentially. But when it comes to this time, I'm like the Christmas elf. I love all this. Okay, let's go diving for the next thing. I love that so far. Oh, I feel a bath bomb. Can I feel a bath bomb? What is this? It's an elf. He was upside down. I didn't know what it was for a while. It's a little elf. Look at him. Look at his little face and his hat and then his ears. Oh, that's so cute. And this smells like Parma violets. It smells like violet. Really sweet. You know the Parma violet sweets, like the little sweets you got at birthday parties? That's what it smells like. Which I would imagine an elf to smell like sweets because that's just what I imagine. Another bath bomb for my collection. We all know I love a bath bomb. And this wasn't on the menu because I would have voted for this. Oh my god. And I don't think maybe the shower gel was on the menu. We'll find out after anyway. Let's keep digging. Oh, I feel a box and I feel like I know what kind of thing this is in this kind of box. If anyone knows what these boxes mean, we know what it means. It's a perfume. Another one. Last time we got a perfume, we got Yognog. What's this one gonna be? Oh, and I can't see it. I can't see it, so you guys get to see first. What does it say? I don't know. Can you guys see? Oh, it's upside down. 29 High Street. I'm not shocked at all. So 29 High Street is like the smell. It's supposed to be the smell of a Lush store. So when you're like walking in the street and you can smell Lush, that's what this smells like. I can already smell it. I don't even need to spray it. It's kind of like a bit of a powdery, floral, like just all elements of Lush in one. Oh, it's gorgeous. So what does it say here? It says it has got ylang ylang oil, sandalwood oil, jasmine absolute, lime oil, Sicilian lemon oil, tonka absolute. I think that is all so far, but we'll get through a little bit more as we get to the ingredients. I'll read out a few more if there is anything I missed. Okay, so far we've got 3 products and 1 pin. So we're going to keep going. We're going to keep diving. I feel a box. Not a normal Lush box. Hang on, one sec. What is this? Smells good though, whatever it is. It's a candle. Okay, so I've got the Lord of Misrule candle and I've got the Sleepy candle. Like I've had the Sleepy candle for like ages. This is what? A 29 High Street. Oh my goodness. So everything is 29 High Street in this box apparently. Not everything, but the 2 kind of main scents. I can still smell it through the plastic. They have a bit of a protective coating on them. It must be like a celebration of like the first Lush store and also the 29 High Street scent. Like 29 High Street is the first Lush store, so that's really cute. So candle. Wow. Okay, so that definitely wasn't on the menu because I would have voted for that as well. And anything else? Yes, I think I voted for this. Yes, it's a bath oil and it's a decoration. They had these ages ago, but like in a long kind of tablet kind of, like it was like that long. It was like an iPhone kind of style. This is like a coconutty smell. Yeah, definitely a coconut smell. It's got like gorgeous like trees on it. It's basically a bath oil. So you like cut a piece off, put it in your bath and it melts. So I'm not going to hold this. I'm holding it by the string. It melts in the bath and makes your bath super moisturizing. I love bath oils. So ooh, very excited about that. I'm surprised that actually made it because normally a lot of people didn't really like bath oils and I'm surprised that made it through. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products plus our pin. Let me go through and see if there's anything else because sometimes there's a hidden extra. You never know and I don't want to throw it out by accident. Okay, so there is no extras. Well, I mean the pin is an extra and as far as I can see maybe only 2 of the things that were on the menu have made it into the box, so I don't know. So we're gonna go through this page here for anything that doesn't have any product like list on it, like the shower gel. We're gonna go through it here. So for the candle, the 29 High Street candle, it has got lots of things that I'm not gonna be able to pronounce, but it smells like 29 High Street. So there's no real like ingredients that'll tell me, you know, it's like lime or anything like that. So we're just going to go by 29 High Street perfume as the scent for that. 29 High Street, I didn't miss anything there with that one. Happy Holidays we covered already. And then there's the bath bomb, which is called There's Room for Everyone on the Nice List. Ah, so this one has got citric acid, popping candy, fun, rose oil, violet leaf absolute, sandalwood oil, maple syrup, wow, cream of tartar and titanium dioxide. There is talc in this just in case you are a little bit allergic to talc, just letting you know. Then the next one, we've got the bath melt. We have Winter Night Bauble, which is the oil. It literally melts as soon as you pick it up. So this has got fair trade organic cocoa butter. We have got cream of tartar, fair trade shea butter, murumuru butter, very moisturizing, sunflower wax, neroli oil, titanium dioxide, cornstarch. Nothing there tells me that it's coconut, but it literally smells like coconut. That's what it smells like to me. And then we've got the badge. That is all on that list. Okay, so now I'm going to go through what was exclusive and what was community pick. So the Winter Night Bauble was a community pick. It says, winter nights deserve warm, buttery soft waters of comforting, creamy coconut with a wondrous white floral scent. Exactly how I would describe that. Then we've got the Happy Holidays. It says here, enjoy festive. Oh, I read that already. We'll ignore that. That was a community pick. 29 High Street Perfume. It says here, an uplifting citrus scent slowly mellows into warm tonka and soft florals, inspired by the smell of the first ever Lush shop in Poole, England. Then we've got the 29 High Street Candle. It says, light up your festivities with this sweet and uplifting candle you won't find anywhere else. So that's really exclusive. That's an exclusive. The perfume is a community pick. I don't remember that. I mustn't have voted for it then. And then the badge is a kitchen exclusive. Then there's the bath bomb, which is there's room on the nice list for everyone, which is a kitchen exclusive. It says here, let me get that back, hang on. Soak in playful popping candy and delicate rose, violet leaf and sandalwood. So very cute box, love that. I really like this box. I do think, did last year have something else in it? I can't remember what last year had. It might have had something else, but anyway, I really like this. I think it's very cute. I love that this is full size. I am so happy I got my bath melt. I'm very happy. And it's ginormous, by the way, like huge. So that's going to last me a really long time. And that'll go into the summer as well because it's a coconutty smell. Okay, so I'm going to scooch over to the side and we're going to pop up the menu here. Anything with the star beside it is what I did vote for, which this one was actually not that many things. So we have got the Winter Night Bauble Bath Melt, which I did vote for. We have got the 29 High Street Perfume. I did not vote for it, even though I'm very excited to have it. I didn't vote for it because I actually think I have a 29 High Street actual perfume that I got in the advent calendar or something like that last year. Then we have the Happy Holidays Shower Gel, which I did vote for. The rest I didn't vote for then. So we have got the Once Upon a Time body lotion. I have had this like twice over, so I didn't need to try that again. Then we had the Drummers Drumming Shower Jelly. I remember this before, but I also don't use shower jellies that often, so that's why I didn't pick that one. And then lastly, the Man in the Moon Bubble Bar, which we've had only a couple of years ago, so I didn't vote for that. And I have a lot of bubble bars anyway, so I was more excited to kind of see what random things they got. And I always usually vote for the bath stuff, like the bath melts, bath bombs. Bubble bars is usually as well, but not all the time, but definitely those two. And shower gels I usually vote for. So that is our gorgeous menu, and yeah, that's it. Let's get into ranking what I think of this box. Okay, so you might be surprised with this little ranking here. I've only started recently ranking everything in the box, but I find it really fun. So right at the bottom, I put it back in its box. This is the 29 High Street Perfume, only because I think I already have it. So that is why. I do really like to smell it. I can smell it on my fingers like already. I'm pretty sure. Let me just check. I think I do. That's what it is. I don't have an actual perfume. I've got the solid perfume version of it. So that's what, yeah, that's what I have. So I now have the liquid version in a small size. So that's 229 High Street perfumes that I have. So I didn't necessarily need another one. So that's why he's sitting at the bottom. Next then, surprisingly, I'm going to pop Mr. Bath Bomb in number 4, only because the other things kind of excite me more. This is gorgeous and he's so cute. And I love the scent of it, but the others are going to last me longer, and that's why I'm more excited about them. Then I'm going for the Winter Nights Bauble Bath Melt because I'm going to get loads of baths out of this. So I was very excited. I voted for this because it's the kind of thing I would vote for, but I did not think this is going to get picked to be popped into the box. I'm so happy. Then coming in at number 2, we've got the 29 High Street Candle. Again, I'm very excited. I love candles. I haven't burned any of my Lush ones, so I don't even know what they're like, but I do love my candles. So I might burn one tonight. I'm alone. I'm going to watch Strictly Come Dancing, and yeah, I might burn one tonight while I sit and edit a couple of holiday videos. And then at number 1, you have probably guessed it now. This is the Happy Holiday Shower Gel. The scent on this is so nice, so weird but lovely. Oh, weird and lovely. I love that. So I know this is going to last me forever, like forever. I do not get through shower gels that quickly. Like, I wash myself, but I'm only small. Like, I'm 5'3". There's not a lot of me to wash, so it takes me a while to get through shower gels. So this is going to last me a really long time. Okay, so that is our Lush December box. What did you think of the box? Let me know down below in the comments. Were you happy with the box? Were you not happy with the box? I probably think last year's box was better. There was a bit more fun to it. This is quite, I don't know, elegant, but I kind of like the other one because it was a bit more fun to it. I really love the products that's in this. I'm definitely going to use them all. I don't know, maybe instead of the perfume, something different, something else, maybe like a body lotion or something along the lines of that, because I don't know. Oh, even a 29 High Street shampoo bar, because your hair would smell amazing with that. Oh my god. But I still love the box. It's not like a bad box at all. I just think Lush is just a little bit better. So as I said, I want to know your thoughts down below. What you think of the box? What did you vote for in the menu? Let me know that down below. If you did like this video, give me a big thumbs up down below. It's the quickest, simplest and easiest way to give me a little bit of support, get me around to more people, and also let me know that you liked the video, and I will continue to do many more. And don't forget to subscribe down below to see many more videos coming up. We have got so much coming up for the holiday season, for Merry Glammas. I always point to here for Merry Glammas because this represents Merry Glammas right now. So go subscribe for that down below. And as I said, go follow my Instagram down below for some more Lush content every day in December for my unboxing of my advent calendars. So I think that's everything for me, guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.